Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Ramba Kajala Conrad ki sangma ulong baka parti BJP kamdan Jingthut AA ya ka Sorkar MDA ka Sorkar khlek khaulang jangi babuan ki parti Henry ulong bagi Kren persya ya ka Sorkar ki degi Kren ki bami na ki Riew Shimet bat ki Kren kum ki Riew Shimet kum ka parti ulai thu bahadu menta kampat dan kanu-kanu ki Jingthut lani ki Kren ka bawan na ka parti BJP Henry ki de tang ki Kren jang ki Riew Shimet bat hak ka parti ka bahe kum ka BJP ulong bagi dan buan ba gibriu gibadan lagi jong jing snow hadu menta ulong bawat ki MLE ke BJP ru kidan lang ba ka Sorkar bat kim dan Jingthut AA ya ka Sorkar lain no tangkat tu kat ningut ki Riew Shimet.
There are two different subjects. Number one, when we formed the government in 2018, that time also we contested separately. We didn't have any pre-poll alliance then. We didn't have pre-poll alliance with any political party, for the matter of fact. When NPP contested the elections in Manipur in 2017, we never had pre-poll alliance with any political party, neither in Nagaland, neither in Mizoram, neither in Assam, neither in Meghalaya. So we have never had a pre-poll alliance with anybody in any election. So I think it's wouldn't be fair to say that it's only happening now. So that's one part. So pre-poll alliance is something that, as a party, we feel it does not go with the beliefs of the party and the fact that we are here to convince the people and to fight the elections on our ideologies. So therefore, if we do that, then we're diluting it by having a pre-poll alliance. So we don't do that. That's aside. And as I said, I don't like to talk about party politics and secretariat, but you asked me the question, so I'm replying to that. But coming to the second part, we formed the government after that with 6 coalition partners, and we've been running this government. And we have had a lot of turbulence along the last 4.5 years, but we have stuck together and we have always tried to resolve the differences we had. There may be concerns that the BJP has, and we keep discussing with them, and we keep trying to clear up all the concerns and the issues and any kind of differences that are there. And as a chairman of the MDA, that is my responsibility, and I try to ensure that we try to work together as far as possible. But of course, I mean, the decision is obviously to individual party. We can't stop them and tell them that they have to be here. It's purely their decision. But are we saying that one should leave? We're not. We've worked with so many coalition partners. We respect them even now. We stick to our coalition dharma. We ensure that we give them space, independence, and also the entire we come together for any kind of important decision that has been made. So we're very clear on that. And as I said, BJP is a very big party, so obviously there could be individuals at certain positions who might have a personal opinion and may have their personal feelings and may have their personal stand. So they're free to make a personal stand, but I think that particular stand of a particular individual is not the stand of the party. So till the party's leadership does not give any kind of specific hint or direction or discussion on that, I don't think we should put too much of stress on statements being made by single individuals, and which could be totally personal in nature. We have been working together in the past, and everybody has been working together. If one is going to allege that MDA is involved in all these things, I think they are forgetting that they're pointing 3 fingers at themselves also, while they're pointing 1 finger outside. Number 2, we are very clear on our stand that whatever we have done, we have been doing it as per procedures, as per law, and everything has been done in a proper, clean and transparent manner. Number 3, the point is that it's sad to hear which my president and also the deputy chief minister has mentioned, that for an individual of BJP, as I said, it's not the BJP stand, it's the individual who has been talking. So I think we should not say the BJP, we should specify the individual. So the in charge of Meghalaya who's been saying, it looks like he's talking from a very personal point of view, like a personal attack, and maybe he has some personal agenda or some personal grudge, which I don't know, because we keep seeing him making a lot of statements that finally, do not come out in a positive manner because their own political MLAs and their own party leaders don't agree with that particular stand. So clearly shows that the individual is really an individual who is just making his opinion, and we respect that opinion of his. I'm not saying I have anything to say against it. That's his opinion, but as I said, it will be wrong for us to generalize that opinion and say that it's the BJP party's opinion. So it's an individual's opinion, and he's free to say what he wants to say. Well, that is something which I am not privy to, because obviously I am not there inside it. But I'm sure if there are concerns, then the national leadership of the BJP from the center will definitely communicate and discuss with us. As I said, that there would also be unity within the party, and they would have the MLAs and other party leaders, together raising a voice. But we are clearly seeing that when the particular individual comes out with a statement, there's nobody to support him, and most of the party leaders and MLAs, say otherwise. So I don't want to go too much into this. I don't think we need to, spend so much of time on one particular individual's comment. As I said, it is not the party stand; it is his individual stand. So I have nothing more to say on that.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.